Hello students. So today we'll continue lesson 9 app development. So today we'll study that how we download the Android Studio for making the app. Now here you see that is given use an app builder to make your own app on your smartphone. So we use the app builder to make our own app on the smartphone. So how we can do it? As discussed earlier, so we can find apps for almost every need. So tap on the Google Play Store icon. So in the search box will be displayed along with the apps which are downloaded most often. So type free app builder in the search box. Okay, and click on the search button. Several app builders app will be listed. So we are going to use AppyPie to make a quiz app in it. So AppyPie is a web-based app maker providing a various facilities for quickly making your own app. In addition to the basic pages, information for a simple app. So information for a simple app. AppyPie allows you to add the pages, forms, social media links, login pages, and much more. So on this app, you can add so many things. Like you can add the more number of pages. You can add the form on the app. You can add the social media link. Also, you can provide. So ready-made templates for applications ranging from business, social, messengers, taxi service, restaurant, educationals, hotels, etc. Make designing your app very easy. So follow the given steps to make your first app using the AppyPie website. So how you make it? In the address bar of the browser, type https://www.appypie.com. Click on the get started button. So give an appropriate name for your app, example quiz. Click on the next button. Now select a category from the options given below, for example education. So to view more categories, click on the view more categories options. Click on the next button. So here you choose a suitable design for your app from the various and listed options. So let us say the matrix is selected. Click on the next button after selecting the matrix. So you can see a preview of your work at any time on the right side of the window or by clicking on any preview icon, for example Android. Now add pages into your app as desired. So under the suggested tab, click on quiz to insert a quiz page. So if you click on the add pages, so pages will be added. Now unwanted pages can be deleted here. So under the suggested tab, you will find only those pages that are relevant to the category you have chosen. So so now see under the consent section on the quiz page, click on add question. Add question tab to add or edit the question. The quiz window will be displayed. So here you can see in the figure 9.10 selecting the manage quiz section. Okay, here the manage quiz section is there. By clicking on the plus button, you can add the pages. Now see under the action section, you can see here also. This is the add or edit the questions here. Under the action sections, you can to click on the manage quiz questions icon. The add edit questions window will be displayed. So add questions and answers. If you wish, you can provide multiple options for each question using the add answer button, or put a tick mark in the checkbox to the right side of the correct answer. You can add an image, an audio or video also to the individual questions. So as you can see here, for the correct answer, you have to take which option is the correct. Here the answers also have to provide. Now proceed to add more questions to your quiz. Click on save. Once you have added all the questions, now click on the quiz settings icon on the quiz window to control the way to quiz operates. Under this tab, we can control whether the quiz will generate random questions, the minimum passing score, the time limit for the quiz, etc. Click on the save button when you are done or close the quiz window. Now continue the process by clicking on the save and continue button. So you now have to log in or sign up if you have not done so far. So next step requires you to use the plan for your app. To choose a free plan, move the cursor toward the address bar of the window. A pop-up will appear. Click on the Start Free Plan Now button. So a congratulations window will be displayed. A congratulations window will be displayed. Now click on the drop down arrow adjacent to the welcome tab. So displayed on the extreme top right corner of the window. Select My Apps and go on the option Editor, as you can see here in the figure 9.13. Now here select the Design Customization tab. Here you choose an icon for your app. By selecting the app logo thumbnail, choose any icon from the available list, or you may use the Upload App Icon option to upload your own icon. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class we'll continue our discussion on the remaining topics. So thank you for your kind attention.